Hi everyone, welcome back. I just reached my hotel a little while ago and dropped my bags and had a nice warm dinner, and now I just couldn't resist stepping out. There is no fancy plan, just wanted to explore the streets of Prague at night and to reach the National Museum. Ah, this is a historic building and look at the architecture, how beautiful. Let's see in a close-up. Okay, they have this sales exhibitions here. I'm on this street, Wenceslas Square, and as you can see, this is the most vibrant and dynamic area of Prague. So it's a center for a wide range of leisure and commercial activities. There are lots of hotels, cafes, restaurants. It's around 10 p.m. now, and I see there isn't much crowd. Wenceslas Square has a good public transport connections. There is a metro station at either ends of the square, and the trams run through the center of the square every few minutes. And from this square, you can reach all the sites and tourist attractions in Prague. Transport in Prague is quite economical, which is good. Although I found food is a little expensive. At night, this place is so colorful and it gives you a different vibe. They closed one side due to construction, so let's go this side. As we get closer to the museum, it gets brighter and bigger. Oh, look at that, majestic. And this square can host 400,000 gathering at one time during any events, which is massive. Now I need to cross the road to reach there, so let's go. So this was my little night walk. Just what I needed after a travel day. If you enjoyed walking with me, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Please do comment what kind of videos would you like to see so that I can improve my channel for you, and keep supporting.